Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your voice audio while screen recording on your iOS device. If you do find this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe and comment down below for more content. Let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is you want to open up settings, so we're going ahead and do that now. Scroll down to Control Center. Select voice memos by pressing the plus. Once you're done, choose the home screen and pull down the menu. You will now see the voice memo icon next to the screen record. Go ahead and select it. Here you can start recording while you are screen recording on your iOS device. To begin, all we need to do is just press the red button. To when it stop, we can just press pause and press done. Then you want to go over to the share icon up here, select it and choose how you want to save it. Saving it to files is the easiest way, so I'm just going to do that. Save the files, choose the folder that you want to save it into, and done. Now you want to open up iMovie. If you've got a video, then you could just put that on, but I'm just going to create a blank movie. We'll do that later. Files, select the folder that your audio is saved in and select the audio that you want to use. Now you can add the video that you want to go with this audio, and that is how you screen record while recording your voice at the same time. Find this video helpful? Drop me a like. Until next time, goodbye.